Good morning from beautiful Phi Phi Island, Thailand. And we're here at the Mama Beach Resort. We got in late last night, or late yesterday afternoon, and had a nice dinner. And today we're going to take a longtail boat and explore some of the islands. We got a private longtail boat, so it's going to just take us wherever we want to go. So we're looking forward to that. We're actually waiting for the boat right now. So we were here about the same time last year, and it's night and day here with COVID. This is like a ghost town. Last year, you could barely walk down the pathways. There were so many people here, and there's nobody here, and it's kind of sad. Most of the businesses are closed up. I think we're actually the only people staying at this resort right at the moment. So, and that's pretty much true of all the resorts. There's hardly anybody here, and it's kind of sad. The businesses, you can tell they're struggling. So we're hoping that this thing goes away and the businesses can get back to prosperity. But it's a different experience here. We have the whole island to ourselves, and it's the COVID, the economy. It's sad to see what happened, but hopefully things will get back. So we're waiting for our longtail boat right now, and looking forward to going out, exploring some of the islands, doing a little bit of snorkeling. So we've got a beautiful day for it. It should be perfect. Bye bye.
Welcome, boss.
สวัสดีครับ Thank you. Thank you. Wash my hair with the sand. Oh, no. Oh my God. We have our own private beach.
Yeah.
We're stranded on this private beach here. This is all we have. And the sand is like powder. It's like powder. You're washing my hair. Okay. And the water is getting in my eyes. But we're having fun. Okay, time to go. Go back. Go back. Okay, this is Maya Bay Beach. The beach has been closed for a few years because there was a movie called The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. And after that movie, this beach got very, very famous, too famous, and it was just overrun by tourists, and the beach itself was being destroyed, and the Thai government decided they better close the beach and preserve the beauty that was here. So you can drive up to it like we just did, but you can't actually go to the beach. I'm not sure what that boat's doing. But there's the beach from the famous scene in the movie, The Beach. And it's gorgeous here. You can just imagine this is very much paradise, and it is very, very important that the Thai government did decide to preserve the beauty of this area. And looking back out, and Ned's taking more pictures. Good. And we're just having just a beautiful day here. Just gorgeous. The water is so nice. There it is, Maya Bay. Okay, here we are at Mama Beach Resort here on Phi Phi Island. And like I said, I was going to show you a little bit of this room. This is our last day here, so we got a bit of a mess going, but just a quick tour of the room. The room itself is nothing very fancy. There's Ned. Oh, let's go. Just a quick little tour of the room. The room itself is nothing fancy. But this is the nice thing about the room. It was a nice, comfortable bed. But what we have here is the view coming out. Just walk out here, and the sun rises from this side in the morning, and it's just beautiful sunrises here coming in our door, and you can just look right from your bed out onto the ocean, and this is just a beautiful look. And there's the resort down there. You can see that's a saltwater jacuzzi, giant jacuzzi pool. So very nice. Excuse the mess, the messy room. So I'm going to go downstairs and just show a little bit more of the area, so you can take a look at the area downstairs. And this is the grounds of Mama Resort. And you can see there's the saltwater jacuzzi pool. We were in that last night. It was very, very nice. The salt water is good for your skin, so that was really nice. There's some grounds here. We were the only ones staying in this resort, so it's really kind of sad what's going on with Phi Phi Island. Most of the shops are closed down, but we had our breakfasts in here, and they served us, and the breakfast was good. We're good. The breakfasts were good. We had little omelets and coffee, and it was very good. Sari krap. And you have the beautiful view out here. And I think the nicest thing about this resort, along with our view, was the beach. You just have this really easy beach access, and we're still pretty close to the pier. You can just take a 10-minute walk to the center part of town. So we're not too far from the center part of town, and we have a really nice beach, a little private beach area. You can see going that way, you can see that's the main pier over there. So we're a little bit removed from the pier area, the main part of town. It was very quiet here, but we had access to the beach. One thing I noticed about some of the hotels that were right on the other side, there was really no beach. So it was nice that you're close enough to everything, but there's a nice beach. There's some other resorts on the other side of Phi Phi Island that you have to take a boat to get to, and that do have really nice beaches from what I can see. But it's, if you want to get into town, it's hard. You have to take a boat back into town. So we could have just walked to the restaurants here, and it was great. This is the resort next door. This looked really nice too. Let's see, this was called Phi Phi Nice Beach. This looked like a nice resort too. It looks like the rooms would have a good ocean view. There's a nice pool here, and they have a nice beach here. And then there was one more resort on the other side of us. We'll walk over there. And this looks like it had some nice views of the beach too, from the balcony up there. And I will post the name of these resorts so you can see where we are if you're interested in coming here. If you live in Thailand, now's a good time to come. There's some amazing deals. This is high season in the year. We were here last year, you could barely walk down the street. This year, all the shops are closed. A few shops are open, but most of the shops are closed. A lot of the hotels and resorts are closed. So if you live in Thailand, it's a good time to come. It's quiet. You can get some really good deals. You can support the local economy by coming here. If not, you can wait till COVID's over and come back and enjoy this beautiful paradise. This is just an amazing place. Very beautiful.